Hello and welcome to today's little hiking vlog video. It is a Friday and thankfully this very busy spot is not crazy. I have been here on weekends and it gets so backed up. It's a very popular hike. I'm going to Franklin Falls, which is about an hour east outside of Seattle, so it's accessible, and now that it's the summertime, the trail is quite short. I've done this in the winter, which adds an extra mile both ways due to snow coverage on the road. But now that it's summer, it's only a 2-mile round trip, so much shorter than during the winter. It is a hot day. I've been wanting to check out the falls during not such a snowy, treacherous, slippery, journey. I do have a video about that. And yeah, I just wanted to do something kind of easy and lighter today. And the real goal of today is to swim in the river. So I have my bathing suit on and I brought my towel and some things here. So I'm hoping just to get some like nice pictures, to go on a gentle hike, get sweaty. I went down to Pike Place because I needed to pick up some purple corn. And that can be seen in my weekly vlog if you're curious. And I was sweating downtown. I'm sweating right here in my car. So I'm hoping that it will be a hot day, that the most likely frigid river will be refreshing. So let me put on my river jaunting sandals and let's get hiking. Silly to carry, but I have it, so why not bring it? That was absolutely perfect. I was so sweaty on the way up here, and that water, yes, it was cold, but acclimated quite quickly. And my second or third time in, it was more refreshing rather than super duper cold. So perfect. I am so ready to be back at the car. I'm always glad that I bring my like river shoe sandal things, because walking on river rocks barefoot is impossible, but I did scrape up my toes a couple times, so that was not so fun. So be ready to be out of these wet open-toed shoes. So yeah, it'll just be a very quick downhill mile back to the car. Oh, it is 10,000 degrees in here. I wish I was back in that waterfall water. Like I said, it is a very short 2-mile hike round trip from the parking lot. In the winter time when the road is closed, it is, I guess, a 3 or 4 mile hike, because I think it adds a mile to the head. So I guess it's 4 miles at that point. But yeah, really liked the crowd. It was kind of perfect. If you can, I would definitely say come on a weekday, because this is a very busy park, a very busy, popular waterfall hike, to the point that like it was closed for a couple years. I think this was the first year it was reopened again. And that's kind of why I put it on my to check out list. But yeah, glad I came out. Wanted to really do something light, quick, and easy, not too far out from Seattle. The elevation gain is not that intense. I think it's 300 or 400 feet, so not too crazy. And yeah, it felt really good to swim. I wish I would have swam a little bit more, but I was just so done by the time I got to the falls, because I was being eaten alive by bugs. I definitely need to add bug spray to my day pack and to just like my standard hiking routine, because I was getting eaten. I've probably have numerous mosquito bites or bug bites on me, so yes. With that, I hope you found this video helpful. I want to say thank you guys so much for watching. Happy travels and happy hiking from me to you, and I'll catch you all in the next one. Bye guys.